Hello my friends, hope you're fine and doing well, and welcome to the second day of our journey in the department of vocabulary. Today we want to learn more about greeting, and we will also learn how to finish a conversation peacefully in French language. So let us enjoy this wonderful day together. It's time for a short preview. As you probably remember, we already learned how to say hello or good day in French language.
Bonjour.
Now, what if we start a conversation in the evening? In this case, we gotta say good evening, right? Then how do we say it in French language?
Bonsoir.
Consider that, theoretically, they are both formal forms to start a conversation in French language. Now, what if I want to start a conversation with my friend? Probably we do not speak formally, do we? We start with, hey you hey you Fine, I'll be polite. Or we can simply say, hello, hi, or hey there. Then how do we say hi in an informal conversation in French language?
Salut.
Remember that we can use the same word to finish an informal conversation, which means that simply, if you want to say goodbye to your friends, you can say
Salut.
Now, we want to learn how to say how are you in French language. Well, if we are in a formal conversation, we can say
Comment allez-vous?
And if we are in an informal conversation, we can say
Comment vas-tu?
or
Ça va?
the second one practically means how is it going? It's more general. After asking these questions, we can probably expect an answer, right? For example, I'm fine or I'm not fine. Maybe it's going well or it's not going well. Now, let's check the answers.
Je vais bien. Je ne vais pas bien. Je vais bien. Je ne vais pas bien. Ça va. Ça va bien. Ça ne va pas.
Now, let's learn how to finish a conversation peacefully. We can say
Au revoir.
which means goodbye, or
À bientôt.
which means see you soon, or
À tout à l'heure.
which means see you later, or
Bonne journée.
which means have a good day. And the last one,
Bonne soirée.
which means have a good evening. Who is it? Who is it? Well, I guess he or she is French. Let me ask Sandrine. Sandrine, would you mind?
Qui est-ce?
Bonjour madame, c'est Alex.
So, how are you, Alex? Alex, how are you? Hello? No, it's not working.
Comment allez-vous?
That's exactly what I wanted to say.
Ça va bien, merci. Et vous?
Ça va bien.
Alex, sit down, please. Oh God. No way, Sandrine. I cannot say that in French language, okay?
Asseyez-vous, s'il vous plaît.
Merci.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Je vous en prie.
Yes, exactly.
Vous vous appelez comment?
Is he talking to me right now? Oh, good. It couldn't be better. Yes, my name is Max. Yes. No, it's not working. I knew it. Je m'appelle Max. Oh, come on, guys.
Comment allez-vous?
I did not have time to study, okay? I'm fine, thanks. No. Je vais bien. Merci. You don't want to stop, right?
Enchanté.
Well, nice to see you too. Enchanté. Enchanté. Alright, my friends, now it's time to practice. Let's do it together.
Salut. Ça va bien.
Merci. Assieds-toi. Je t'en prie.
Bonjour.
Comment allez-vous? Asseyez-vous. Je vous en prie.
Bonne soirée. À tout à l'heure. Bonne journée. Au revoir.
Okay, my friends, that is the end of the second day of our journey in the department of vocabulary. How does it feel that we can have a short conversation in a new language only after 2 episodes? Honestly, I feel great. Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Please do not forget to support me by sharing and subscribing. And your comments are always my best evaluation tool. If you want to learn how to start a conversation confidently in French language, check this video for free. Thanks a lot, and see you next time!